Coach Jean, what's the difference between Herbalife Total Control and Herbalife Cellulose? And which one is right for me? If this sounds like something you have also asked before, you're in the right place. Hey everyone, this is Jean here from Authentic Energy. I have been a Herbalife coach for over 10 years, and today I'm going to help you understand how these two products work and what are the differences so you can feel more confident making the right decision for your body and your health goals. Okay, let's take a look at these two products at a glance. Okay, so without any confusions or overthinking, all you have to remember is this. Cellulose is a bloating, puffiness eliminator, whereas Total Control is an energy and metabolism booster. Okay, so just by remembering their titles, the titles also indicates their main functions already, right? You can already start to see the difference. Okay, so for cellulose, I have put down a little note here. Do you guys see the little label there saying fat burning tablets? So a lot of people have actually called cellulose the fat burning tablets, okay? And that's actually wrong and misleading. Okay, cellulose doesn't actually directly burn your fat cells or your body fat. Okay, so I don't want anyone to get, the misleading information about cellulose being the fat burning tablets. They don't burn your fat, and we're gonna find out in a second how they actually help our body reduce the bloating and the puffiness. Okay, firstly, let's take a look at what is cellulose. Okay, I've listed 3 main benefits of cellulose here. So you guys can take, quiet notes here and see if cellulose is the right product for you. Okay, so firstly, cellulose helps your body flush out excess water and toxins, and it also reduces water retention. So which in a way, if you feel very puffy and swollen all the time, and if you feel like, you are bloated meaning like you feel like your body's carrying a lot of water, then cellulose can really help your body, find that water balance and reduce all the excess water that your body builds up. And thirdly, it helps your body smooth and tighten cellulite. Okay, so by saying that, I do want you guys to remember this. It does not actually completely eliminate cellulite, but it actually helps improve the appearance of cellulite. Okay, so that's something that I want you guys to remember. Don't just go and take crazy amount of cellulose thinking that, I want to get rid of all the cellulite around my thighs, and my buttocks, and tummy, everywhere. But it's not going to do that. It will, over time, help reduce the appearance so they don't appear as, say, orange peely as before. And the key ingredients in cellulose are calcium, magnesium, sodium, potassium, corn silk extract, parsley herb extract, dandelion leaf extract, and asparagus root extract. Okay, so you can see there's a whole bunch of botanics combined together to help your body to do what it does. Okay, now let's move on to Total Control and zoom into Total Control and see what it does. Okay, so as I mentioned before, Total Control is an energy and metabolism booster, so it helps your body burn calories more efficiently. Okay, so if you feel like your metabolism is slow, sluggish, and you're not really burning calories that efficiently, then Total Control is the one for you. Okay, and also on top of that, it helps your body boost energy levels. So if you feel like you need a good energy kick to help you, get through the day, Total Control is definitely the one for you. And then thirdly, it can also help you control your appetite. Okay, so these are the 3 main functions of Total Control. And the key ingredients in Total Control are ginger root extract, green tea leaf extract, oolong tea leaf extract, black tea leaf extract, and pomegranate rind powder extract, and then caffeine. Okay, so with the Herbalife Total Control, I also have a pro tip for you guys, especially those of you that work out a lot or you work out often and you want to actually efficiently burn more calories during your workout, then Total Control can really help you. So the tip here is for you to take your Total Control tablet. You can take 1 or 2, so depending on what time of the day that you do your workout. If you're having a workout in the evening, my suggestion is, especially if you're caffeine sensitive as well, maybe don't take the Total Control pill, okay? Because it is caffeinated. But if you're doing your workout during the day, in the middle of the day, or in the morning, you can take your Total Control pill 30 minutes before your workout so that it will actually give you that energy kick you need for you to perform better during your workout, and also it will help your body burn more calories and you'll also sweat more. Okay, so this is a very efficient way for you to actually fully, explore your fat burning potential during your workout. Okay, so this is a little tip for all of you guys. You can actually screen capture this if you like. But I do have to mention that in order for total control to work efficiently, you do have to drink a lot of water. Okay, and I know some people may have, given me the feedback that, especially when they don't drink enough water and they start taking, say, total control pills or cellulose pills, and they're like, oh, I'm having constipation. Okay, so this is a sign that you do need to drink extra amount of water, a lot more than usual, when you're taking these pills. Okay, so this is a main thing to remember. Okay, now who can benefit which product? Who should take which product? All right, so I've listed some key symptoms and some issues here. You can take a look and identify which ones will apply to you. Okay, so for cellulose, if you're experiencing bloating, puffiness, or if you have stubborn fat, okay, and also if you often eat food that's very high in sodium, in salt and sauce, okay, so if you eat a lot of salty food, that actually makes your body retain more water, and as a result you definitely feel kind of puffier and more bloated, and your body is heavier because it retains a lot more water. Okay, so a lot of times when we're doing the weight loss, in the first phase, we're actually losing a lot of water weight. Okay, we're getting rid of that excess water that our body has been carrying, like the excess water that our body doesn't need. Okay, so drinking a lot of water really helps. Okay, and then the third point is if your body fat percentage is above 25%. Okay, now maybe some of you guys are not sure what your body fat percentage is like. I highly recommend you to go find a body composition scan, or if you're already working with a Herbalife coach, you can get access to a body composition scan from your coach, right? Or if you have access to a clinic or gym, usually there is a body composition scan there as well. So by doing that, you can find out what your body fat percentage is. And I know for a lot of my clients, they just basically go and buy a Tanita scan, or there are a lot of smart, body composition scans available out there that you can buy easily online. You can also, grab one of those and, use that to periodically check on your body fat percentage, and also check on the progress and the changes in your muscle mass, your body fat, your organ fat, and things like that. Okay, I'll leave that for another video, but if you guys are interested to know more about how to do the body composition scan and how to understand about the different readings in your body, let me know in the comment below. And lastly, about cellulose, right? And this is something I have mentioned before as well. If you're someone that's looking to improve the appearance of cellulite on your body, cellulose is also the right product for you. Okay, now let's look on the other side for total control. If you're someone that's experiencing low energy, you definitely need a good energy kick, total control is the one for you. If you want to burn more calories, if you would like to improve your mental focus, and also you want to have better workout performance, total control is the right one for you. Okay, now I know while looking at this, some of you are probably thinking, I do have symptoms and issues from both of these, and what do I do? Can I use them both? Yes, you can. You can definitely take both total control and cellulose together, right? And very often you see that total control and cellulose are both packaged together into the Herbalife weight loss programs as well, right? So don't just randomly take them if you think that, they're gonna give you the maximum result if you don't experience, all the symptoms, right? So my suggestion is choose the products that really tackle the symptoms that you have. Okay, don't take it just because your friends take it, or sometimes without actually studying your habits and what your body needs are. Some coaches may just suggest everything to you. Okay, that's not something that I do. Okay, I prefer to actually recommend the right products for what your body truly needs. Okay, so very simply, if you want to take them both, right, we follow the standard instruction, right? Total control 3, basically 1 tablet each time, take it with lots of water, after meals, 3 times a day, so after breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And here I wrote that you should reduce the amount if you actually do experience some kind of caffeine reactions. Okay, so if you are caffeine sensitive, I'll say, try maybe 1 or 2 tablets a day and see how your body reacts. And if you still have, that's really nasty, uncomfortable caffeine reaction, and I'll say just stop it. So for cellulose, also 1 tablet each time, take it after your 3 meals in a day and take it 3 times a day. And if you feel extra puffy or extra bloated, maybe you had a very, high salty meal the night before, and the next day you feel like, oh my God, I'm very puffy in my face, in my body. You can actually double the amount, right? Or, maybe not doubling it, maybe do 2 tablets in the morning and then 1 tablet in the midday and then tablets in the evening. So depending on how you want to flexibly adjust the amount, right? You can definitely increase the amount according to what your body needs. Okay, so that's all for today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed the little breakdown that I have here, and I hope the video gives you a better idea, a better clarification of the differences between total control and cellulose. And of course, if you guys are still confused and not sure about maybe some aspects of what the products do, please feel free to leave comments or questions in the comment below. And of course, you can also reach out to me on my Instagram or my Facebook at Authentic Energy or authentic.energy.nutrition. And of course, I know some of you guys are ready to get started on these products. You can find out the direct link to purchase them in the description below. And I know some of you want to work with me directly as well or have me as your Herbalife coach. I welcome you guys to my community. You can find out how to work with me from the links in the comment below as well. Actually, the best way is to fill out a quick wellness evaluation. It takes about less than 90 seconds to fill a wellness evaluation so that I can actually understand about your habits and your body goals and your body needs before I make a personalized recommendation, a personalized Herbalife nutrition package for you. Okay, so if you want to do that, go fill out the quick wellness evaluation from down below. Okay, so if you enjoyed today's video, please give a thumbs up, share with a friend, comment, and if you guys want to know more and find out more about Herbalife Cellulose or Total Control, I've actually made quite a few videos comparing these products against other Herbalife weight loss products before. You can watch these videos right here. Okay, so thank you so much for being here, guys. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.